Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me here again today at Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Spike from Brawl Stars. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment or also like, and if you're not subscribed already, please feel free to do so. So let's get started on Spike. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a big circle and another one, but this one's a little bit of a slanty oval really, because we're drawing Spike kind of looking on a side. If we were to draw Spike front on, then our two circles would look totally the same. But we're drawing Spike kind of looking to the side. All right, so now the mouth. We're gonna draw kind of like a jelly bean shape, but it's a pretty thick jelly bean shape. So something like that. Now, let's start with the top of the head, and we're gonna curve on down here to the side of the face, and over here, we're going to give a little bit of room for the back of the head, make it fairly thick, and then come on down a little bit. On the top of the head, we've got a shape like this, kind of like a balloon, but kind of like the shape of a balloon, but not quite. We got another one right here, and a little one right here. And we can do another one right here. Okay. And if at any point I'm going a little bit too fast, feel free to pause the video or go back a little bit. If I'm going too fast, I do apologize. Okay, so next, let's start on the vest. So Spike is wearing a purple vest. So we can do a little curve like that, curve line, and bring it in this way, or sorry, bring it out that way. And a little line there. And we're gonna make a little armhole for Spike's arm. Okay, so we got a line like that, and now we're gonna do the arm. So Spike's arm is pretty thick, and it's also fairly long. So we're gonna make it around that length, and do a little line like this for one of the fingers, and another one, and see I curved in right there, and now we're going to do a thumb like that, and now we can bring it on back to the body. Now we can continue on with the vest like that, and continue drawing Spike's body right here. Now right here, Spike has on a pair of shorts. So I'm going to make a line right here, but in the middle, I'm going to do a little U shape like that. And over on this side, we're going to do the other part of the vest. So we can see that here on this side. And we're going to finish up Spike's shorts. So we've got one leg here of the shorts. And now another leg. And we're going to do the other arm now. So I'm going to do a thumb. And right here, we're going to have another finger, and another one right there. And we can bring up that arm. And do a little line right here. Okay, so now Spike has two arms. And Spike is just missing some feet. So he's got some pretty thick, wide feet. So I just went in a little bit and now I'm coming out for that wide, flat foot. Okay, so one foot done. Now another one. All right, so I think Spike is looking pretty good, pretty cute. I'm gonna add some color. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot Spike's little spikes. So all over Spike, we've got these little bumps, which I assume are just like, you know, spikes, because cactus, you know? So I'm just gonna put a few of these all over. One right here, maybe another one right here, and another one right here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get started on the coloring now. All right, everyone, so we are finished our picture of Spike from Brawl Stars. I hope you had fun drawing along with me today, and I hope you have an awesome day. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.